wonderforce.com.
Hi students, I am going to expose the complete admission procedure of the IIIT Hyderabad. So why I am very particular about this IIIT is it is the one of the unique IIIT where it offers the limited courses like all IITs and other IIITs. They are going to give you wide variety of the courses, but here in IIIT Hyderabad, it is known for the least number of courses. Number of courses offered are very less, and most of them they are going to prefer you with the long term courses, that is dual courses. Okay, so what is the difference between the dual course or integrated course and normal courses offered, and what is the speciality? The speciality being is IIIT got the highest package, 75 lakhs per annum is the highest package of the last to last year 2019-20. Highest package is 75 lakhs package, and average package is around 25 lakhs package. So being a IIIT, and we cannot expect a IIIT which is in at par with the IITs. So because of the limited number of courses, limited number of seats, everybody is behind the getting admission into the IIIT. Okay, and but there is less awareness about the IIIT admission procedure. IIIT Hyderabad is known for its performance, but the secret behind its success and how to enter into the IIIT Hyderabad, the ways, there are different ways. So how to get into admission of the IIIT Hyderabad, I am going to tell you. Okay, before going to further details, I think all of you have subscribed my channel. If not subscribed, kindly subscribe my channel. And as an encouragement, I want all of you to like this video and share this video to all your friends through the WhatsApp group or Telegram group or your relative groups. Okay, so I think all of you will do that so that I can come out with the more college. Here you can check the past recruiters of IIIT Hyderabad. It got the very good company. The well-known company, Apple company, goes for the recruitment to the IIIT Hyderabad, Amazon. Okay, not only software recruiters, they also have hardware recruiters, bioinformatics recruiters, structural design recruiters. So many recruiters are coming to the IIIT Hyderabad for the recruitment. Because of this, you can check here in the website only. You can cross check average salary 25 lakhs per annum, and here you can check highest package is 75 lakhs per annum. Okay, you can check here. Sorry, not highest is 75, it is 85 lakhs. Okay, so this is 2018, 19, 19, 20, and 2021 is not yet updated. So now let us see how to get enrolled into the courses offered by the IIIT Hyderabad and how to get enrolled. So normally every IIIT for the BTech courses takes the admission only by the JEE mains. Depending on the performance of the JEE mains, they are going to be recruiting you, and through the JOSA counseling also. Okay, so but you can check here total 6 ways, 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 ways of getting recruited into the getting admissions into the IIIT Hyderabad. So first let us see one by one. Undergraduate UGE, so this is for the degree, dual degree. Okay, you can check with the dates. Application portal opens on the 22nd March. Okay, closes on the actually 10th May it was closed, but now it is been extended. It is a good opportunity for you all. This is up to the 7th June 2021. Okay, and exam was expected, was actually earlier it was 2nd June. Now it is yet to be decided. Okay, so what are the courses it is going to offer? Okay, so here you can check ECD, electronics communication and engineering. It is a dual degree. D stands for the dual degree. Computer science and engineering, computer science in linguistic, computer science in natural sciences, computer science in human sciences. Basically they are going to they are going to focus on the computer courses. So wherever D stands for the dual degree. Okay, so who are the eligible class 12th equivalent qualifying examination with 60 marks. So you have to separately appear for it. For this you will have the two types of examination, SUPR and REAP. So both exams, subject proficiency test is called as a SUPR, which is consists of 60 minutes, and REAP, which consists of 120 minutes. For this you have to apply. After this clearing you will be having a interview for getting admission. Okay, so this is the portal and I will give you the link in the description box, and for your examination clearing in the first attempt you can take the mock test from here also. Okay, so this is the first type of entering into the and most important type of entering into the triple IT. Okay, so now let us see this SPEC. So this is the recently introduced. Okay, so for this you will be getting seats, only 10 seats in the ECE and 10 seats in the CSE. ECE, that is Electronics Communication Engineering and Computer Science Engineering. So here dates also again, it is now extended to the 7th June and examination date is yet to be decided. Okay, for this SPEC is only for the students who are qualified for the UDAN. Okay, and also those who are studied the first year and second year, that is class 11th and 12th at the JNVs, and those who are currently enrolled in the fourth semester of integrated, that is 6 years 12th plus BTech program. Okay, so for this what you have to do, you have to give only one exam, not REAP exam is not required, SUPR exam is only required. So exam date is yet to be announced, and that center also I am going to tell you. So subscribe my channel, and lot of colleges reviews also I am going to give you like this information, and you will be having an interview after the SUPR examination. So take a note of this. Okay, date immediately you can apply, all the links I am going to provide you. Okay, next, lateral entrance examination, LEE. So this is under this course again two types of courses, ECD 15 seats and CSD 20 seats. Okay, and who are all applicable for this? Eligibility for is applicants completed second year of BE BTech, ECE, ETE, and second year of BE BTech. So with 80% marks in the end of the third semester. So, and here exam dates will be 11th April, and LE exam is postponed now. Okay, so already it is released. Let us see the next one. Next, here Olympiad, this is also one of the way you can enter. So those who are qualified in the Olympiad are KVPY. Not every Olympiad, they have given the list of Olympiad. You can go through this, and under this you can go for the dual degree only. Same computer science. Okay, computer science, both are all natural sciences, computer science linguistic, computer science engineering, computer science electronics and communication, and computer science engineering and ESE. So all this dual degree, not only dual degree, 4 years also they are going to give you. So these Olympiad, those who are qualified for these Olympiad, they are only eligible. Mathematics Olympiad, Science Olympiad, International Olympiad. So the list, this is the list. Those who are qualified these Olympiad can directly go for the recruitment of it. Only just they have to apply, and after the application interview will be there, and the main problem here is 3 lakhs. Okay, so tuition fees for everybody will be around 3 lakhs, but the package you are going to get will be eligible, will be very high. Therefore this 3 lakhs into 4 are nearby. If you are spending around 15 to 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs also, that is not a problem. The package you are going to get after the passing out from this institute will be, this fees will be very less. Okay, so next after this, here DASA, this is mainly for the foreign students. Okay, so those who are studied the 11th and 12th outside the India and hold a passport, and for them again important dates, and the latest it will be again informed to you ranking criteria, as it is many of the students are not aware of this. So I am not giving a number of seats will be CSE 25, ECE 10, Okay, so next let us go for the most people are knowing about it. Okay, this is applicable. UG is through the main score. You have to apply for this also. Okay, so 9th May and application closes on the 30th July. Okay, so application portal opens, or that is already opened on the 9th May and it is going to close on the 30th July. So for this it is offering CSE BTech in computer science and BE BTech in electronics and communications. This will be based upon the rank of the JEE main. Okay, so and for this application fees 1500, and this is a seat allotment procedure. Okay, so number of seats are very high in this category. Computer science total 100 and electronics and communication 60 seats. So 75 seats will be for the common pool and 25 seats are diversity pool, that is for female candidates only. Okay, so same way for an electronics and communication 45 seats for common pool and 15 for the gender diversity, that is girls pools. Okay, so these are the ways you can enter into the IIIT Hyderabad. Whatever the problems you are having in understanding, or if you want any other queries, you can ask me through the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I am going to inform you wonderful colleges with the easiest way to get into admission of it. Thank you. Bye bye.